Hello everybody, today we are going to be unboxing something very special. This is going to be my first flask ever. So as you can see from the title, this is a batch of Phal modesta. And I already have a Phal modesta, but it is pouting and or dying. It's lost a lot of its leaves. It only has one leaf left, but it's hanging onto it. So we'll see how it goes. Oh babies, I'm so excited. Okay, this is harder than I thought it was going to be. Okay. Okay, so here they are. The flask is kind of cold. I mean, it's not like super cold, but it's a little cold. So I'm gonna bring it inside, obviously. It's been sitting outside for about an hour because I just woke up from a nap. But this is it. And I will be doing a deflasking video soon, I guess. Because I want to get these out of this wet stuff, but I don't want to open it yet. So, yeah, thank you for watching and stay tuned for the deflasking video.